End is not the end if fact END means efforts never dies. Education is the most powerful weapon you can use to change the world. A person who never made a mistake never tried anything new. There are plenty of difficult obstacles in your path. Don't allow yourself to become one of them. Learning is never done without error and defeat. You must be the change you wish to see in the world. There is no substitute for hard work. Don't wait for the opportunity. Create it. Success is the sum of all efforts, repeated day in and day out. Failure will never overtake me if my determination to succeed is strong enough. Self-belief and hard work will always earn you success. I am indeed a king because I know how to rule myself. When you reach the end of your rope, tie a knot in it and hang on. Your time is limited, so don't waste it living someone else's life. Don't be trapped by dogma, which is living with the results of other people's thinking. Always remember that you are absolutely unique, just like everyone else. Tell me and I forget. Teach me and I remember. Involve me and I learn. The best and most beautiful things in the world cannot be seen or even touched. They must be felt with the heart. In the end, it's not the years in your life that count. It's the life in your years. Every day is a second chance. I never dreamed about success. I worked for it. Wake up with determination and go to bed with satisfaction. If you get tired, learn to rest, not to quit. The more you give away, the happier you become. Make each day your masterpiece. Learn from yesterday, live for today, hope for tomorrow. The important thing is not to stop questioning. Opportunity does not happen. You need to create them. Live as if you were to die tomorrow. Learn as if you were to live forever. I have not failed. I've just found 10,000 ways that won't work. Failure is another stepping stone to greatness. I believe every human has a finite number of heartbeats. I don't intend to waste any of mine. The biggest risk is not taking any risk. In a world that's changing really quickly, the only strategy that is guaranteed to fail is not taking risks. Nothing great ever achieved without enthusiasm. You cannot change your future, but you can change your habits, and surely your habits will change your future. Doubt kills more dreams than failure ever will. You want to have a future where you're expecting things to be better, not one where you're expecting things to be worse. An ounce of patience is worth more than tons of preaching. Look at the sky. We are not alone. The whole universe is friendly to us and conspires only to those who dream and work.